That's the face, eyes.
Nakita mo ba yung bladder?
Yes, Doctor.
Kidney.
Yung kidney, hindi pa po.
Diaphragm,
Nose, mouth.
or chamber.
So, naka-bridge kasi siya eh. Ayan, no? That's the face. This is the, yung nose. And then lips. And then eyes. Forehead. Okay. So, this is the side. And this is the other side. This is the bladder. Okay. This is the diaphragm. This is the heart. Stomach. And this is the genitalia. Looks like a girl. Triple line kasi siya. Okay? So, hindi pa lang siya 100%. Pero, mas na girl siya. Kasi yun nga, triple line. So, parang hamburger style. Okay? So, yan siya. Yeah. Ayun yung nose and lips. Tama?
Opo.
Ayan. Yan yung mukha niya. Tinatakpan niya kasi ng kamay. Ayun o. That's the elbow. Ito yung hand. So, medyo tinatakpan niya. Kaya nakatago siya. Ayan siya. Yun yung head eh. Okay?
Okay, thank you.